Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to import opportunities into Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So here you can find your opportunities in Salesforce and basically you can import them by just going to the imports wizard of Salesforce. So you can click on setup and from here, we need just to search for the data imports or just type import so we can find it easily. So here we will find the data import wizard and we go down. We launch the wizard and after that, you will need just to choose the type of your objects. So it will be either solutions or it will be leads that you have here. So basically, after that, you will need to click on add new records and then you will choose the type of file, etc., etc. And you choose your file, you click on next, and now you have your importation that has been succeeded. Another way to do it is by using a data extension or a Chrome extension that is called the Salesforce Inspector Reloaded. So you can go to your extension store of your web browser and you will search for Salesforce Inspector Reloaded. So from here, you will need just to click on Data Import and click on it. And basically, here in the object, we can search for opportunities. So in the opportunity, we click on it. And basically here, you will need just to paste your data. So you will need just to copy and paste your CSV or JSON. It depends on the format. And then you will need just to specify the batch size that you want to import. And after that, you can mention if you have already some custom headers. And when you paste your data here, you will just run the inserts. And now you have your importation that will be starting in uh, Salesforce. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.